In this Wix tutorial, let's take a look at how to log out from all devices. In the upper right-hand corner, we're going to go to our Wix profile and down to account settings. So if you've logged into multiple places or you're just not sure what every login is, you can scroll down here to your login activity. You can see every device logged in currently and view the login history, but there's a button over here that says log out from all devices. So we click on that button and we can also change the account password at the same time, just in case there's some logins that you don't recognize, or you can just simply log out from all devices. This says it can take up to 15 minutes, but we're going to hit next, and it's actually probably going to log us out of this one, this session as well. And so then it's going to log you out from everywhere. You don't have to worry that the next time, or you don't have to worry that anywhere else has access, and then the next time that you log in will be the only login that you have. And so you would log in up here in the upper right, but that's how you can log out of all devices here on Wix.